Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley and today we're going through a jewelry jar together. Everything you see here will be $8 and information to purchase will be in the description and in the comment section below. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we have this beautiful pair of seed bead tassel earrings. They're just shy of 4 inches. And they have this lovely rhinestone. Beautiful. And then we have this pair of hoop earrings. Just looking for any signatures. Don't see any, but they are well made. And just over an inch. Nice condition on those. I love this. Everybody knows that I love celestial jewelry. That's gorgeous. Let's see how big is the pendant. It is 2 inches from the top of the bell to the bottom. And it has a lobster claw clasp with an extension. Let's see. I'm trying to not tangle it up. These are about 3.5 inch drop. Very cute faux tortoise shell. We have a pearl stretch bracelet. Stretch is still okay on it. Beautiful. We have a faux pearl brooch. I did not bring my lip. I believe that says Avon. Pretty sure I've had this brooch before. About 1.5 inches. There are some black and yellow seed bead earrings. About a 3-inch drop on those. And this is silver tone with a lobster claw. And these beautiful glass beads here. Blue and like a teal color. Gorgeous. Oh, I hope the other one of this is in here. I like that earring. We have a couple of stick pins here. We have a Man in the Moon face brooch. I don't see any signatures on him. He is a little over 1.5 inches. We have a barrel clasp and what looks like maybe adventuring freshwater pearls. And it comes down to this. Beautiful. It looks like a religious bracelet with cute little charms with silver tone and rose gold on a Rollo chain with a lobster claw clasp. We have another moon face brooch. This one appears to be made out of clay, about 1.25 inches. There is a gold tone ring. It is about 6.25 inches. We have a little pair of sterling silver studs. They look like little rainbows. We have a necklace that is marked Germany. It says Germany. Sorry, couldn't see from this angle. Triple strand, likely aluminum or a loxel. We have a strand of lapis. Let's see, it has a spring ring closure. The spring ring has lost its gold tone, but the lapis is beautiful. There's a lot of pyrite in those. And we have this green brooch, gold tone, about 1 3/4 inch. I believe that's acrylic. Beautiful. We have mother of pearl, freshwater pearls, crystal. I believe that's glass. Very pretty. This is a very long strand. It does have an extension on it, and it is a Premier Design piece. That's a nice one. We have a wide drop necklace with these faux pearls and little rondelles and some crystal bicones. This looks like silver. Has a toggle closure. Let me see if I can see any marks on it. And it does say 925 right there. I've not tested it, but I will. Beautiful. We have, I'll take that tag off of there. Let's see. A spring ring closure, which means you wear this as a double strand, maybe? Or is the tag just, oh no. It's the tag's just in the way. A very long strand, but you can wear it doubled up. Silver tone. Beautiful vintage piece. Great for layering. Ooh, I like this one. Silver tone box clasp. I don't see any marks. Maybe that used to say Japan, possibly. Does not anymore. I love this. It's a long strand. Beautiful. And we have a gold tone. Trifari necklace. Beautiful. See a couple dark spots on it. Not really coming up. They're not bad, but there are a couple dark spots. Still in good condition. I would definitely list that. We have a stone. You know, I've had this for a while. I think I might have threw this piece in there. It looks familiar. When you swoop off the desk, sometimes things get mixed together. All right. We have this beautiful one. It looks like an eye. It is about 1.5 inches. We have probably quartz, I feel like stone, and a mother of pearl pendant. We have a little fishy, and it has a spring ring. We have this little mesh flag. This is perfect for the 4th of July. It's Charming Charlie's. It is on a very long silver tone chain. Oh, isn't that something? Very beautiful crystal pendant here on a long silver tone chain. We have a pearl, seems to have a little bit of wear to it, on leather with another freshwater pearl for its closure here. We have this beautiful pair of clip-on earrings. I believe that says Irwin Pearl. Lovely. Okay, I don't know anything about bolos, so I'm kind of skipping those to last. We have this beautiful, not sure what that is. Almost feels like wood. It has a spring ring closure. And then we have this little guy. This is a shorty, but this will be absolutely perfect for a child. Look. Oh, backwards. It says Disney on the back, and it's Donald Duck. How adorable. Love that. I don't think we got the other one of that. That's sad. We have a lobster claw closure. Beautiful rhinestone piece here. It's gorgeous. I don't know what these are. They're cold, but not very cold like stone. Maybe they're dyed. I don't know. I'm not going to say because I am not sure, but we do have a vintage barrel clasp here. I'll let y'all look at the beads. Maybe you know what they are. Oh, there it is. I love these. These are so happy. And we are at a 3.5 inch drop. Oh, I love these. They look like little sunshine flowers. Okay, and then there are some bolos here. Oh, there's another stick pin. And that looks like maybe rhodochrosite, and that also looks like it could be silver. Let's measure it. On 7 inches. Cute. Okay. Let's see here. I know nothing about bolos. We have a cactus. I don't see any marks. It only has one of its little tips. I don't know what those are called. It has one of them though. But the cord seems to be in very good condition. I don't know if you can buy replacement ends for these maybe, or you could take them off of another one. That one's pretty. Little quilting couple dancing. I don't see any marks or signatures on this one either. I love that one. Okay, and these are on like a fabric. That is a Masonic star with a little Egyptian dude. And then we have a R. That one is marked Swank on the back. They're both in good condition. Alrighty, what was your favorite piece? If you don't mind, leave me a comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Bye.